Hello from the Bureau, here with your weekend forecast, looking all the way out to Anzac Day next week. Our current satellite imagery shows very clear skies across large parts of the country, with just a little bit of shower and thunderstorm activity up near the top end. Those clear skies are going to have a marked impact on our temperatures across the weekend, with above average temperatures really starting to build across those southern parts of the country. That means temperatures 4 to 8 degrees above the average, which will feel pretty mild for this time of year. In the north, the temperatures are technically close to or slightly below average, but it'll still feel pretty mild in those areas as well. Going through the weekend and heading towards Anzac Day, we are going to see a cold front moving across the southwest, and this is going to bring in much cooler conditions for Perth and other parts of southwest WA for Anzac Day. A top of just 18 degrees expected in Perth, which is around 6 degrees below the average for April. Elsewhere across the south though, those milder conditions will continue all the way through to Anzac Day, with warmer days on the way for Adelaide, Melbourne, Hobart and even Canberra. The east coast is going to see a little bit of a cooling thanks to this southeasterly flow, with temperatures slightly below average but still on the milder side of things. Whereas across the north we're going to see those temperatures holding out in the high 20s to low 30s. Across the weekend, we're going to see the impact of that high pressure system that's sitting here across the southeastern states. High pressure systems have a really settling influence on the weather. So that means a very calm days, light winds, foggy mornings, but a lot of sunshine on the way for South Australia, Victoria and Tasmania going across the weekend. These settled conditions will also spread through inland New South Wales and Queensland, but onshore flow in these southeasterly winds is going to bring quite a bit of shower activity to parts of the northern New South Wales coast and also the Queensland coast. This Sunday-Monday period could bring some reasonably moderate falls to parts of the wet tropics as well, so be on the watch for that one, keep an eye on the radar. The main change can be seen here with this cold front approaching Perth. It's going to sweep through late Sunday going into Monday, bringing in that much colder air we were talking about. Gusty showers, possible small hail about the coast are also anticipated through that late weekend period going into early next week. But by Anzac Day, the system's really only going to reach the South Australian border. So what that means is those settled conditions will continue for the southeast states. Clearer skies expected for Anzac Day, with those showery conditions continuing along the central and northern east coast. Might see a few showers hanging around about the top end for Anzac Day as well, but everywhere across these interior parts of the country should remain dry and warm. You can find the details of all the forecasts at the Bureau's website or on the BOM weather app. Have a great weekend and we'll catch you next time.